Hi, I'm Dwight Vaughn, and this is a Co-op Minute. So all of our feed mills will test all of our incoming grains, especially corn, for aflatoxin and fumonisin. It's always tested before it comes off the truck. As the load comes in, operator will go out and take multiple probe samples and to put together to make a representative sample. They'll bushel weight it, moisture test it, and then for the corn we also do an aflatoxin and fumonisin test. It's used through a Neogen test kits. All of our feed mills utilize this same process. All of our feed mills also test before it ever comes off the truck. So we're going to test for aflatoxin first. With aflatoxin, that has a cutoff of 20 parts per billion. Our cutoff for that reason is because with dairy cattle, some of our dairy rations containing the ground corn that consumes it, it can pass through the milk and into the consumer, harming the human as well. The fumonisin, we have a cutoff of 5 parts per million for fumonisin, and that's because of horses. It's toxic to horses, and we want to make sure that it's always ensured to be safe for all animals that we're feeding with our co-op products. So our moisture, bushel weight, aflatoxin, and fumonisin all have max levels. If any one exceeds that max level, the load at all of our feed mills will be rejected at that point and sent back to the supplier. We set those levels and go by them to ensure a safe product for your animals and for their health as well. Thanks again for watching this Co-op Minute. Check back next week for more tips.